Meaning of gluteus.
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 Gluteus. The term gluteus is derived from the Greek word glutos, meaning the buttocks or rump. It refers to the group of muscles that make up the buttocks, specifically the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus. These muscles are responsible for hip extension, rotation, and stabilization of the pelvis during locomotion. The gluteus maximus is the largest muscle in the group, and it plays a crucial role in posture and movement. Well-developed gluteal muscles not only provide aesthetic appeal but also aid in athletic performance and injury prevention.